Good morning, dear children. How are you? Hope all of you are fine at your home. So every day I am asking, how are you? And then telling how you all are fine at home. That only I expect from all of you. So praying God also, be fine all of you at your home. And when this will come out from this situation, we will go for a normal life, a normal schooling. We will meet again and then we'll meet again and then share our views, ideas, and thoughts also. Okay, one small positive thought in the morning can change your whole day. So every day when you are waking up, pray your God and then thought a positive thinking. With a positive thinking, start your day. So your whole day will be a good day for you. With this beautiful quotation, we'll start our lesson. Previous class we have studied about different types of network and detailed we read about our LAN, local area network. So today we'll learn about your metropolitan area network. What is metropolitan area network? Metropolitan area network is spread over a large area such as a city and is operated by government body or corporation. MANs are high capacity, high speed networks and usually use fiber optic cables. See, three types of networks we have discussed. One is a local area network, LAN. Then another one is your metropolitan area network, MAN. And then next one is your wide area network, WAN. And another small network also we have discussed, that is your PAN, personal area network, which works in a very small distance, like when you are using Bluetooth for transferring data or something. And then your local area network, which covers a building or ranges from 1 kilometer. So today about metropolitan area network, which means larger than a local area network, or you can tell it connects several lands to make a MAN. Means lands will be connected together to form a metropolitan area network. So it covers a city and actually lands are owned by any organization, and but the MAN is owned by government body or a corporation, big corporation. MANs are high capacity, high speed networks and usually use fiber optic cables. What are the fiber optic cables? If you will confuse, that's why I have will give you the information. Local area networks, when you are connecting computers in a building or in a room, you can we can use cables for connecting. But whenever metropolitan area network, we are connecting two cities and two cities together. So an optical fiber cable we are using. So this type of cable you have seen, you must have seen. It is a type of cable that is a number of optical fibers bundled together, which are normally covered in their individual protective plastic covers, as shown in the figure. Number of wires bundled together and they are covered with a plastic jacket. Optical cables are used to transfer digital data signals in the form of light up to distances of hundreds of miles with higher throughput rates than those achievable via electrical communication cables. So higher throughput means data transmission speed will be high. Data transmission rate, Mbps, what we are telling, megabits per second, or kbps, kilobits per second. So that throughput, that is the rate. So that will be increased if we use fiber optic cables. So in metropolitan area network, fiber optic cables are used. So where it is used to for means what are the uses, which places we use MAN? Cable TV network and telephone networks providing high speed DSL lines. DSL means digital subscriber lines. So these are the uses of MAN, and see how the MAN works. It connected several lands together to make a MAN, and it covers a distance across. You can join two cities together, or you can cross the distance of more than 5 kilometers to 50 kilometers. We use MAN. So next one is your WAN, wide area network. So wide area networks are a collection of many lands. They are spread over a vast distance such as a country. The internet is the largest one with a span across the globe. That means one using, you can connect to countries also, and see internet is the example of one using which whole world is connected now. That you know also, using Facebook and using WhatsApp, we can connect to any part of the world using internet only. These are the services provided by the internet. When we are doing online shopping also, we can shopping from any part of our country. And so this is the largest network, internet, and it is an example of one. Where other places ones are used, one is used in space stations since it has various geographical locations. One is used in companies where there are branches, means different branches of a company present in different city or in different country are used to, are connected together using the one. The internet is a one. It has many resources that I already explained you. Messages to be sent, files to be shared. All these activities we are doing using internet. So internet is an example of one. You can take the example of your ATM machines also, which is an example of one. Different cities connected together with the different banks, and you can withdraw money from any part of the country. So it is also one example of one. So now let us compare what is LAN and what is compare between LAN and one. LAN and one. LAN stands for your local area network, all of you know, and one stands for your wide area network. A LAN connects computers, peripherals and other devices in a single building or other geographical areas. When we have studied about LAN, we have studied it can share printers, scanners, fax machines can be shared using a LAN. So LAN can connect computers, peripherals and other devices in a single building or other geographical areas. One covers a large geographical area because internet we are taking example. It crosses metropolitan, regional and national boundaries. So in LAN, limited number of computers are connected. Since we are connecting within a building or within a room, so we can count how many computers we have connected in those areas. But millions of computers are connected in the one. You cannot tell in internet how many computers are connected. Millions and millions people are connected with each other through one. The speed of LAN is high, more than one, and while the speed of one is slower than LAN. You can ask how, because when data transmission occurs, few numbers of computers are there. So among these few computers, data transmission will will take place. So it is a has more speed than one. And when many millions of computers are connected together, so data transmission speed is slower than LAN. Transmission medium used in LAN is coaxial or UTP cable. Coaxial cables means actually it is a one type of cable where two used to connect to the internet. UTP, unshielded twisted pair cable. Whereas one uses PSTN, public switched telephone network or satellite link as a transmission or communication medium. That all of you know, whenever we are using internet, that we are getting the signals from the satellite, and if it is a LAN, then we will use this coaxial cable or UTP, unshielded twisted pair. So these type of cables are you just remember it, and but not in your syllabus very descriptively. So just I have given that you just remember the name, that in LAN coaxial cable and UTP, unshielded twisted pair are used, and whereas in a one, PSTN, public switched telephone network or satellite link as a transmission or communication medium is used. Okay, so with this I will finish this class today, and from in the next class we will start with topology, different types of topology. Topology means what? The structure or the structure in which the computers will be connected in a network. Means in a different structures are there for different network, like your bus topologies there, ring topologies there, star topologies there, tree topologies there. That means which manner you will connect your computers to make a connection. So those things we'll discuss in the next class. So hope all of you understand the topics, and watch the videos regularly, do your assignments regularly, and if any doubt you use Campus Care. Some of them are complained that we are getting the answers in late in Campus Care. Okay, children, I will take care of it. And you send the message, no problem. Sometimes I may be busy with some other work, so could not reply you. And but if you send the message, I will definitely answer your questions. Okay, thank you all. Take care of yourself.
मदद से गुड इवनिंग सर।